Nnamudi Kanu needs to be released. We are calling for his release. Of course, the Nigerian government know that the best thing to do is to release him to avoid more problem and more agitation, to fuel the condition at the moment, because it doesn't help anybody, neither Nigerian or even the reference. So his life is very, very important. Please, if you have anything to say about this, the activities of the US all this while, because most of us are in agreement, some might disagree about the activities. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the activities of the US. What they said here to me is not something that we need to debunk, because as long as it's for good, of course we support. We are not going to bash them out because it's from them. No, this one they said is okay. We also have another news from Sarah reporters regarding the condition of Mr. Ibu. So we know what happened to him last year.